Do you want to learn how to do a super easy Reels transition for Instagram? I'm here to show you how. I'm Emily Schwabach, co-founder of the Social Squad Society. Let's get rolling. I found an audio I liked. So what I'm going to do is tap on the audio, use audio, turn around. All right, so I'm going to set myself up. So this is a super easy transition, okay? All right, so what you're gonna wanna do is make sure you know when you're gonna cover your hand up. So I know in the middle of the song, I'm gonna cover my hand up, okay? And make sure that I'm covering it fully so that it blacks out the whole screen. All right, so I found my audio. I'm gonna click it, use audio, my timer on, get my favorite filter. So you're just gonna wanna wave your hand. You can either do a whole cover or you can do a waving hand, okay? So now I have to kind of make myself look different. Trimming's really important on this and this align button. See, I have to make sure, if you can see when I move my thing, you'll see that it's different. Okay, so see how I'm all lined up now? Now I gotta make sure my head is right, and let's trim it to make sure it's right when it's real blurry. Timer on. Always dancing. Okay, so let's go back. Let's see how that looks. Pretty darn good. All right, so remember, the key is to make sure that you're close enough that your hand's slightly blurring out the view of the camera, okay? So make sure you're flooping right over the camera. When it comes to reel transitions, start simple, start small, work your way up to a hair flip or anything. You just got to use your hands for this one. It's a really easy one. I promise you, if you try it and start doing reel transitions more, you will get it. If you have any questions, reach out. Hopefully you like this video. Let us know, and hope you have a great day. Go and create some reels, do some transitions. You got this.